There are now some merge tags that can be used and translated on actual pages, not just within automations or emails. This is really useful when creating post-registration pages that are customized and have different data on than the automatically created ones by OfferingTree. There are a few merge tags listed in our help article that you can use. In this example, I have typed these merge tags into this left-aligned section, but you can ask Sprout to create a landing page for you for post-registration and include these merge tags. Sprout has created this for us, added the title, the start date, and some useful information as well. Now we can save this. Automatically, Sprout makes this a public site, but I want to change it to unlisted. And don't be alarmed when you open it and it has the merge tags displayed for you, because there's no data that it will bring in. Then you can copy the URL of this page and add it to your schedule. You can also test this. We added the link to the Hot 26 class. So let's register for Friday and choose a 10 class pack and register. We have been redirected and the information has been added to this page. So it's a Hot 26 class, the date, time, and we have all the extra useful information there as well that looks cohesive with our brand and our website rather than the generic automated information page created by OfferingTree.